Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained storm spotters reported a tornado touchdown near the city of Salem. This tornado is associated with the line of thunderstorms moving through Kenosha County. The storms are moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Bristol at 2:40 p.m., Pleasant Prairie at 2:50 p.m., and Kenosha Airport at 2:55 p.m. As the storm clears Kenosha, the tornado will enter water. Therefore, anyone using the waters of Lake Michigan, within a radius 10 miles east of Kenosha, should prepare for a potential waterspout. At this time, all residents of the warned area should enter a basement. Get under a workbench or other sturdy piece of furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in a hallway or other interior room such as a closet. Stay away from windows. Cover your head with a blanket or a pillow to protect against flying debris. If in a mobile home or vehicle, abandon it now for significant shelter. If no shelter is available, get into the nearest ditch and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect for eastern Wisconsin until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time.